Good day.
Yeah, good day.
You gave your vows.
Yeah, nice ring. You know that. Like the ring. I wrote a nice speech. Worked hard on it, sort of. I was sort of nervous. Shed 3 tears. But all in all, it was a fantastic day. But the day's not over, so anything can happen.
Perfect. All right, go ahead.
Today was a good day. We said our vows. We vowed to God and promised to stay pure into marriage. That's about it. Today was a good day. We gave our vows to be pure into marriage. Yeah.
I'm not a man of many words, but I want to say that I'm very proud of my kids. I mean, that's some awesome kids. I couldn't ask for greater kids, you know what I mean, on the face of this earth. I mean, it's a beautiful thing. This was all their idea, you know what I mean? And besides giving themselves to an individual, they give themselves to Christ, you know what I mean? That's awesome, you know what I mean? I'm a proud father. I mean, there's no more I can say.
Hi. Today was a good day. What?
Wow.
Hey, everybody. Today was a good day. I've been waiting for this moment for a while now. God laid it on my heart. I'm glad that it happened. I feel like now my kids will have God's power, and it's confirmed that He has His saints and His angels watching over all of us and our kids as we make the moves that we're making in our community, in our church, in our family, and that we can show by example God's love in our lives, and so that people will be led without us even knowing, and people that are watching us that we don't know that are watching us, we're leading by example and showing God's love, because so many people are discouraged through Christianity because everyone's not following God like they should. That doesn't mean anybody has to be perfect, but at least we can try to put God first in our lives and to lead others through example. And I, as a mother, can do the same thing. So I just hope that you guys are blessed by what happened today with my family, and that I hope this thing could happen for everybody, in children's family, you know, whatever, across the world. Thank you.
You done good, Danielle. You've been out here 30 minutes. Great. Now you can go camping. Come here, my man. Now you going camping.